ka dyan.
Hi, Kuya Enzo!
Ay! Kabay na ako!
Tapos pinagkatawa na namin na kasi sabi ko, magka-caption siya na despite of all the difficulties of the meeting, I still managed to climb this mountain.
Go on.
Si Jo ka lang itatawa na lang.
Oo,
OT7. Mga asap artist. One time lang. Nauna ka rin. Guys, na-awkward na kami nung bumalik si Jo dito. Kasi nasanay kami pito lang. Ay, kung gano'n na.
may kita mo na.
Para may barrier. May awkward.
Kasi,
hindi naman niya ay Pampinas pa rin.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Tayo, US. North American humor. Exacto lang.
Because we'll be here, nandito na kami para sa inyo.
Already know it. Ay, lang, sakto na stop.
On the wings of love.
One more time. Wow, go.
One more time. On the wings of love. Mali.
Okay lang.
Basta pag ikaw tama. Okay, one more time.
Isa pa. Tono mo yan eh.
Mali. Okay, we have to go now. Our next collaboration is ready. Let's enter the Beanie-verse of Joanne. I do not wanna believe. Oh, nagulat kayo English na. English din kayo ito naman. I don't wanna believe, okay? I do not wanna believe.
Since this is Canada, require to mag-English or is it up to us? Contract namin po eh. I think yes. Taglish po ba pwede po? Yes! Okay, where we are now, it all started with a pangarap, right? But with the paghihirap and the dedication of the pangarap,
Nag-1 million na tayo. Oh my God, thank you guys. Dahil dyan, Joanna reveal. Uy, mag-1 million. Ang galon sa trakto pa. Nagsingko ang tunga, pulutan ilaga. Kaloy sa bagi, nakaputiki. Yeah, oh yeah.
Daming bata guys, anak ko more guys. Gusto ko na mag-ice cream guys, may tinda kasi nanay ko ice cream. Gusto ko na mag-ice cream.
Ligaya, sumilip ka nga sa camera. Maganda raw mata mo eh. Sumilip ka nga sa camera.
Uy! Ganda na. Ano pang gusto mo request? Ano pang I believe na alam?
Oh, si Ate Kulit! Sila hawakan! 5! Guys! Ano hindi? Basta gaganito. Kabila.